welcome back. Unfortunately, it's been a while and I have several boxes piled up, so here's this one. I'm still struggling to keep paying for this because it's, I don't know, I could get my own box for me. Let's just get right to it. Alright, so we have a winner. Another fantastic socks. You know, the usual full size. This is very extra long and skinny tie. But it's not ugly. It's just very, very long. This is the company. Okay, next item, mystery box. And it's a box. Oh, I think I remember something. It's a business card holder. This is a nice little container. Ah, it's a pen. Is it a pen? I don't remember. Yes, it's a pen. Nice heavy pen. Looks like a nice stylish pen, and goes with the business card box. And this is a nice hanky. Made in China, of course, and it's this company. Not sure if you can see it. All right, well, that's the box. We got the hanky. We have the pen. We had the business card little holder. We have extra long and weird feeling tie. And beautiful socks. Alright. So I will do another review. I have 2 more boxes to get through, so bear with me. Alright. Hopefully I was loud enough this time. I think I wasn't loud in the previous video. So that's what we got. I'll see you for my next video. Hopefully you are following my channel and enjoying these hideous videos, because I will keep making them if you keep watching. So, do svidania!